Hello, and welcome to our video on how to make money online.
Wow!
In this video, we'll be sharing some practical tips and ideas for earning an income from the internet. First, let's talk about some of the most popular ways to make money online. One option is to start a blog or website and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. This can be a great way to share your expertise and passion with a wider audience while also earning an income. Another option is to sell products or services online. This can include things like handmade crafts, digital products like ebooks or courses, or services like web design or social media management. You can also make money online through freelance work, such as writing, graphic design, or video editing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you find freelance work, and you can set your own rates and work on your own schedule. In addition to these options, there are also many ways to earn passive income online. For example, you can invest in stocks or real estate through online platforms, or create and sell an online course or ebook that continues to generate income over time. So those are just a few ideas for how to make money online. The key is to find a way to monetize your skills, interests, or expertise in a way that works for you. With some hard work and persistence, you can turn your online endeavors into a profitable business. Thanks for watching.